Yeah, why? He wants the world to see. Look at this. Nobody's here yet. Follow them on Instagram. Follow them on Instagram.
What name did we come up with?
Cardone Capital Cats.
Yeah, but
Cardone Capital Cats.
Cardone Capital Cats. Is there?
Follow them on Instagram.
Whoa, what's he doing? What's he doing?
We don't know.
Okay.
This guy's kind of just chilling.
Guys, okay, I tell you guys, don't go out and get cats. Do not go get pets. Do not go get dogs. Do not do it. Do not do it. Trust me. This was Elena's idea, Sabrina's idea,
You're the one who made the
and
bet.
Scarlett's idea.
You're the one who made the bet.
Well, there she
You did
goes.
this to
There she
yourself.
goes.
Let me make sure you don't fall back.
Hey, hope you guys are doing great today. Just show you, we could all get weak. I got weak, and they took advantage of me. It's so wrong. It's so wrong. Get her back over here on my shoulder, okay?
I feel his little ribs.
Hey, hope you guys are. Hey, Ritchie, how you doing, buddy? Good to see you, man.
They have a lot of ribs.
Brazil is in the house. How y'all doing? Where are y'all today? We'll say hi to all of you that are here. Meet Cash.
And Flo. This is Cash.
I'm sorry. Meet Flo
Flo
and Cash.
Cash and Flo.
And these are the new mascots for Cardone Capital.
They're the Cardone Capital Cats. Although I like to call them Striker
Can you
and Bandit.
help me interview the FBI? Yeah, Peter, I can't help you with that, buddy.
That's
Are you unhealthy? Name wants to know if I'm unhealthy.
No, I don't think you're unhealthy.
Oh, I guess I'm on my last days.
He's not on his last day.
Oh,
They know.
on my last days. You never. Montreal is in the house. What? Scarlett, call out all these places people are. Montreal.
Montreal.
Like Los
Montreal.
Angeles.
Los Angeles.
We love Los Angeles. Encinitas.
Encinitas. Canada.
Where we'll finally get some pets. I know I shouldn't have done it. Miami Palm Tree.
Yes, you should have. Miami Palm Tree. He's in love with them.
Let's see. Fierce
made the bet.
Cats.
He said
Florida. In Florida.
Florida.
Star Wars costume for May 4th.
Star
I
Wars
requested to
costume
get
for
it
May
live.
4th.
Business leader. Yes.
Ow. Ow.
Armenia.
What is in Armenia?
Armenia is the place.
Armenia.
Okay, let's see.
That's a new place.
Toronto's in the house.
Toronto.
We love Toronto.
Toronto.
Let's see.
Someone
Cats
is really
are
sad
the
on
babes, huh?
interview. Cats are the babes. They're my future boyfriend.
Maryland's in the house. Hey, I heard you guys are opening up, and then you didn't. Or what happened there? Oklahoma's here. Kurdistan. Kurdistan. You know where Kurdistan is?
No.
Wow, you need to look it up on a map, Jack.
Kurdistan.
Palmdale. Hey, Palmdale. You know where Palmdale is?
Smack.
California.
Palmdale.
California.
California.
Let's see.
Let's read some of these.
Does Disney sponsor educational YouTube videos? Peter Duncan.
I don't know.
Okay, you're way out there for me. Way out there. I don't know everything.
How do
bro.
we know?
Okay, guys. Let's see how many questions y'all can ask me in a row that I don't know the answer to.
About
okay.
cats.
No, about anything. Reseda, California's in the house. Long Island. Fort Worth is here.
India.
India. We love India, don't we?
India.
Give me your India song.
India.
That's it. Let's see, Grant. Give my hometown. Corona, California. What's up? Chairman, how you doing? I'm doing great.
Smart girls. Thank you very much.
Canada's in the house.
We should call them 10X kitties.
We can call them the 10X kitties.
Africa.
Africa. We love Africa because we've never been to Africa. I want to go to Africa. Let me meet my man. It's got to be late in Africa right now.
Or early. He's lucky.
Perry is in the house. I heard you guys are shut down hard. The UAE. We love the UAE, guys.
UAE.
You've been there.
That's the United Kingdom.
Dubai. No. It's the
Dubai.
Emirates. Yeah, Dubai and
Portugal.
Portugal's in the house. Love Portugal.
What if our African guy doesn't
Afghanistan's here. Wow. Republican Dominica. Wow. I've not been to Afghanistan. I think I've been to Dominica. Venezuela. Have not been to Venezuela. I have been to Montreal. Somalia. Have not been. We have not been anywhere in Africa.
Canada.
Should I shave my head again?
No.
Don't do it, huh?
No, don't do it.
Milwaukie. Been there many times. You Mahania?
He's an old man.
Can your girl support an author with autism and buy my book? Maybe.
Wait, what does
Maybe
that
we
mean?
can't. Maybe
I mean,
we can't.
he's not in charge of my mom.
New Zealand,
Oh, she's
1 a.m. in South Africa. We got England here,
England
Long
in the house.
Beach, Long England, no,
No, Elena. What does that mean?
India. Okay.
India.
Cardone needs to get his money up. Yeah, you're probably right, Dylan. Yeah.
Probably, no, we've got our money right, don't we? Our money ain't going left, so...
Our money ain't going left, so it must be going right. Huh? Question is it going up? We got Zolan in the house.
Who's Zolan?
Zolan. So Carly.
Zolan.
Zoe. You know Zoe. You guys know Zoe.
All right, I remember Zoe.
Let's see these little. Whoa, look at those beautiful things, huh?
Don't act like you don't regret getting them. Aloha.
New York City. Aloha. That's Hawaii.
Hawaii, I
Kurdistan.
know.
You need to look up Kurdistan on a map. You should know that.
I should, but I don't.
Sunny Isles is in the house because Alan's here.
Hi, Alan. Ooh, Alan.
Man, Alan, I can't wait to see you again, dude. Israel. Come on, man.
This is my song for Israel. Israel, 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 Israel. We could continue with all the other places. New Jersey, New Jersey, New Jersey, New Jersey, New Jersey.
The Netherlands. Denver. Have you been to Denver before?
Give me a snow cone.
Palestine.
Sugarland, Texas.
So
Sugarland, Texas.
you've been in Sugarland.
Yes,
Bora Bora, I've been there, but the kids haven't.
Bora. Have the cats been there?
Bora, don't be boring.
Bora. You do
Weird,
that.
Weird. Hey. Okay, look, hey, we love you guys. I know my girls love all you guys. Hope you're doing well.
Bora.
Hope you're taking care of yourselves and your family. This cycle is going to be a long cycle, folks. Okay?
So get yourself a kitten today.
No, don't get yourself a kitten. Do not do this.
CardoneCapital.com/
Do not do this. Do not do this.
American. Come on, you love them.
I have not been to Grand Haven, Michigan.
Oh, I have a good idea. We should put you on. We should put you on his head.
Put him on there. Put him
Do
on.
it. Do it.
And screenshot this, guys. Screenshot this and DM it to me, okay?
It's amazing. Miss you, brother. He misses you too, brother.
I miss you, brother. I miss you, Eduardo.
Miami. We got someone in Miami. That's good. Wait.
Don't let that thing pee on my head.
He's not going to pee on your head. He barely pees on his own. He doesn't like to pee. She doesn't like being on your head, that's for sure. Yeah, he's just like, what the heck is happening?
There's not enough up there. There's not enough up there for him to feel warm. He scratched me.
Oh, yeah, you'll live. Yeah, you'll live. Oh, I see your little
Yeah,
scratch there too.
Yeah.
Oh, whatever. Okay, so we've got someone.
So hey, all of you out here, you follow me on Instagram. You can get CardoneU for free right now. CardoneU.com. CardoneU.com free.
And don't forget
What's the price, Scarlett?
2.7 cents. $3.
Free. It's free.
Free. F-R-E-E.
Yeah, whoa, you can really.
E-E. F-R free. And don't forget to follow me today, along with my sister and my 2 Cardone Capital Cats. If you don't follow my parents, make sure you do that today. Scarlett Cardone. Follow
Scarlett
Cardone Capital Cats.
Cardone Capital Cats.
We already made them an Instagram.
Yeah, they got an Instagram. I wonder how many followers they have right now.
They better have like 1,000.
Yeah, hey Shane, I look forward to doing that gig with Compass tomorrow. Cannot wait.
Uncle Joe.
We did 4,000 real estate agents today, so man, your deal ought to be massive tomorrow.
Someone's halfway through. We have cousins.
Casey
like
from
really
Sydney.
The only ones that can call him Uncle Joe.
Hey, that thing's licking my eyeball.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. He thinks he was apparently figure. I think.
Oh my God.
I know.
Look at
I
this
think
thing. Look at this thing. He's getting ready to strike me. I guarantee you.
Strike.
Look. It
was gonna be a hit and run.
Go Cats.
Go Cats. Go Cats. Go Cats.
Hey, Dan.
Damn.
I'm 95% certain on 10X Growth Conference.
Okay, then why is there 900?
So it's 100% certain. If it's up to me, it'd be 100%. So I just can't tell you when and where, but Right now, we're banking on Vegas, Mandalay Bay. We've already booked it with Mandalay, so I can just tell you that's where we're going. Okay.
India.
All right.
India,
Just want to say hi to you
India,
guys. Love you guys.
India.
Be great. India, India,
India,
Indiana,
India,
Indiana.
India, India,
Crazy,
India,
crazy.
India, India.